Hi, this is Emily Hernandez, your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and we are sitting here in front of my dishwasher. I love my dishwasher. I love the stainless steel. I'm not in love with these smudges, and I don't know if you can see those. Hopefully you can see them, but if you own stainless steel, you know that this can be one of your points of frustration. I used to buy a cleaner specifically made for stainless steel, and I stopped doing that because I found a natural solution. This is the EnviroCloth, the Norwex EnviroCloth. It's your workhorse, it's your E for everything cloth. You're only using water. I've already pre-dampened it, and I'm going to clean this in just a few seconds and a few swipes. So as I'm sitting here awkwardly, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe. First, wipe your stainless steel down. And again, you're only using water. Get the handles, because this actually will, when used properly and correctly, can remove up to 99% of bacteria on your surface. And my 14-year-old does help unload the dishwasher. I'd like to think his hands are clean every single time, but we, as moms know that that's probably not true. But let's just go ahead and pretend that he does. So then I'm going to use a polishing cloth. This is the Norwex polishing cloth, also known as the Wonder Cloth. I'm going to go ahead and wipe. This is what gives your surfaces a streak-free shine. So you can actually use this on your windows, your counters, your faucets, your granite. But what I really like is that I am able to use it on my stainless steel. And hopefully you can see that. No more smudges. Let's see, I think there might be a tiny bit right here. No. And then do this, just like that, and you're done. It's shiny. I'm just gonna live here because if I turned the phone, you would see that I've got pans that I left out last night and a few dishes on the counter because my 14-year-old, for some reason, doesn't know how to get them from there to here. Anyways, at least this will be my happy place now. So if you have any questions, you can always send me a message, but that is how you can clean your stainless steel with just water and your Norwex EnviroCloth and polishing cloth. Bye.